Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a quick update. I am up here at Thousand Trails. They call it Thousand Trails Lake, just below Yosemite. And we are here and just waiting for my employee ID number to come back, and then I can start my working gig. I've been here 6 days so far, and I'm still waiting for my employee ID number, but that's okay. I'm enjoying the resort. It's beautiful here. You can't beat the view. I'm like 90 yards from the river. It's absolutely gorgeous. I can open my window at night, crack it anyway. It's still pretty chilly up here at night, and I can hear the river running. Yeah, so just enjoying it, having full hookups again, after being out in the desert for 2.5 months and no hookups. So, I mean, I never really was in need of anything. I had, did really well out in the desert, especially with all my solar set up. So yeah. Anyway, so just a quick update. I'll take you around. We're going to walk up by the Yurts and by the tent camping area, and I think there's a few cabins over there as well. And I'll show you that, and then we'll come back by the lodge. You'll see the back side of the lodge. Over towards where all the tents are at, the cabins. As you can see, little road down here crosses over the river, the Tuolumne River. And it's running pretty good right now with all the snow melt, all the rain we've had. Lots of rain coming in this week, actually. Had quite a bit the last couple days. So the resort sits on 400 acres. So quite a bit of land here. Isn't that pretty cool? Pretty neat bridge. All wooden. These are all the yurts over here. We'll walk through the yurts. Yurt Walk Village. Actually got somebody staying in one. Looks like they've got a little swamp coolers, water coolers, heaters, wood stoves possibly. I don't even know. Looks like they have satellite dishes out here. DirecTV. Nice. They have barbecues on each one of the porches over here as well. Very nice feature. And then over up in here are all tent sites. There's tent sites all back up in here. They have their own water treatment plant. That's where all the fresh water comes from. Bunch more tent sites. Come on, Diamond. Come on. Smells something. She loves going for her walks. First time we've walked over here since we've been here. Yep, lots of tent sites out here. As you can see, the weather's been kind of crazy up here. Big black clouds up there. Lots of rain coming in tonight. I guess snow down to 6,000 foot. We're at 3,500 foot here, so no snow. Lots of rain probably for the next couple days. So if you're to go up over the pass going into Yosemite, they're gonna have snow. So yeah, so it should be interesting the next couple days. And this is the little suspension bridge or whatever you call it. And it goes to the back side of the lodge. Diamond's not a fan of this. These are the river sites. Right now they're not letting anybody park there. My guess is because of all the rain and snow melt, and they want to make sure people don't get flooded out. This is for members only. You have to be a Thousand Trails member to park down in here. You know, as you can see, all this is member sites over here. So they'll let you park right across from there, right across from the river. There's quite a few sites over here. I'm not sure I want to park my Class A down on this wet ground. These sites down here aren't too bad. I'd do a heavy RV down in here. They've got a pretty nice pad made. And I'm just right across from the river. Yeah. So I'm over here. The black Fiesta, Ford Fiesta and the Bounder. So let's say it's maybe 90 yards, maybe. I just know I can hear the river running at night. Let's walk down here. Come on, Damon. Let's walk over here. And maybe I'll get one of these sites this summer. Who knows? How cool would this be to be in your backyard? I guess it is kind of in my backyard or my front yard, however you want to look at it. Lots of cedar trees up here. These are all cedar trees. They smell pretty good. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, subscribe. You know where the subscribe button is. So subscribe, like the video on YouTube, like the video, not on Facebook, on YouTube channel when you watch it. That helps me grow my channel. If you guys like these videos, just give it a thumbs up. All right, guys, I will see you soon. Bye.